CBD Relief Menthol by Calm by Wellness. Okay, so guys, I will let you know that this was something sought out by Ivan over at Calm by Wellness. He messaged me, we had a little phone call, video conference call, and he was interested in me reviewing some products. And so I got this, and there will be an affiliate link, which I'll get a small commission, really small. And if you wanted to get some of this. So overall, I've been using this, and the first critique that I have is for this small size of 2 ounces, I am not a fan of these little bottles. It should be more in like a tube kind of deal, like a toothpaste tube, because squeezing this, it ain't easy, man, and it's kind of annoying. The inverted tube style, toothpaste tube style, I think would be best. I mean, otherwise, it's not that difficult to get this out, and honestly, you could just screw off the top and, you know, put your finger in there. And when you look at this is actually a pretty, you know, semi-pink color when you put it into your hand. And I know it just looks yellow right there, but overall, I got the experience that it looks a little bit more pinkish than the camera's really letting on. But anyways, if you go and look at this list of ingredients, it reads like a medicine cabinet. It's pretty crazy. And it's loaded with all these different essential oils, which those are going to be high in terpenes, which is another reason why CBD is beneficial for you. And aloe, which is going to be good for your digestive health, even applying towards your stomach. And overall, the menthol that's in here, the experience, this was actually more cooling, and I think it lasted longer than any other cooling menthol that I'd ever used. And as far as the menthol goes, I'm really happy that it's not loaded with peppermint, because, I mean, there's the peppermint oil way down the list right there, but I'm not extremely happy about stuff that really smells like peppermint. And this is loaded with so many different things that it smells very unique, like nothing I can ever think of that I've smelled before. So overall, I have enjoyed using this product. It's got that heating and cooling effect, because capsicum is something that comes from, you know, peppers in general. That's the main factor in the Scoville units. And you know, my kids use it too all the time. My son, he's always like, can I get some cream? If he stubs his toe or bumps his shoulder or bumps his head or whatever. And it works really good for that. So usually they sleep better as well if they hurt themselves before bed. And in general, I think this is a great product. I would like to see some of those improvements that I've mentioned, and they have a lot of other stuff on their website. You could go check it out. I'll have the link in the description. Check that out. THC free too. So if you were concerned, just wanted to try CBD by itself, this would be a great one to try. And it is a broad spectrum. And that just means that it doesn't have the THC. When it says broad spectrum, that means it contains probably over 130 other cannabinoids, because CBD is one of the most effective ones. They list that on the label. You may get overall a little bit better benefit if it had the THC in it, because they all work together, and that's why it's originally in the plant that way. And across the board, it's going to be less than 0.3% legally for anybody to sell the CBDs on the market today across the country. So anyways, guys, check this out if you like. And they have a lot of other products, like I think they had a cherry limeade or some strawberry lemonade gummies, which, man, I wanted to look at that, but they also had citric acid. No, natural flavors in there. And I did suggest to Ivan that it'd be great if you didn't have natural flavors in there, because most natural flavors are created in a lab from who knows what. But anyways, guys, check out the link in the description. Support the channel if you like, and stay healthy.